We are pleased to show you the 2020 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.